joins in DBMS. So what actually joins is? So it is nothing but a statement which is used to combine two tables based on a specified common field between them. And if we talk about in terms of relational algebra, then it is nothing but a Cartesian product of two tables followed by the selection operation. Okay. So here I have taken one example how this Cartesian product will look like. Okay. So here see, I have taken two sets a comma b and 1 comma 2. I have to make the Cartesian product of these two sets. So it is nothing but, you can see the result a comma 1, a comma 2, b comma 1 and b comma 2. So this is what the Cartesian product will look like. Okay. So here you can see above inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join are the types of joins which are used in DBMS, and we are going to see this one by one. I'll also execute the statements for inner join, left outer join, right outer join and full outer join, so that it will make more clear to you all to understand it. Okay. So we'll start with the first type, that is nothing but inner join. So here you can see the simplest and most common form of a join in the SQL is inner join. Okay. The default of SQL join types used in most database management system. Okay. It's the default SQL join you get when you use the join keyword by itself. The result of the SQL inner join includes rows from both the tables where the join conditions are met. I am repeating the statement here. The result of the SQL inner join will include those rows from both the table where the join conditions are met. Okay. Here basically I have taken this syntax. This is nothing but the syntax. You can see here it is having select the column list from left table, inner join, right table on L dot column is equals to R dot column. Okay. So this L and R is nothing but the alias for the table left table and the right table, and I am performing here inner join. I am performing here inner join. So with the Venn diagram, it will be more clear to you understand what actually the result of this inner join will give us. Okay. So here see, I have taken table 1 and I have taken table 2, and there is a green shaded portion. So this green shaded portion is nothing but the result of the inner join, where it is telling what the rows from first table and the rows from the second table where the join conditions are met will be the result of your SQL inner join. Okay. So I'll just execute this and show to you all. Okay. Side by side. So you can just see I have taken here, I am using PSQL here. So here I am having two tables, that is nothing but student and teacher. Okay. So just I'll select the table first. Select star from student. I have already created the table. So you'll just get the result whatever the entries of the student tables are. So here this you can see it is having the attributes like or the column student ID, student name, student class and student address. Okay. Next table what I am having is nothing but teacher. Okay. Select star from teacher. Right. Here you can see, and these all are the values which I have into my teacher table. Is it clear to you all? Right. Next. Now I need to perform inner join. Okay. I need to perform inner join. So I have written already executed the queries and I have kept here. I'll just copy it. Okay. So here I need to perform the inner join. So I'm going to take this. I'll just paste here. Okay. And enter. So you can see the result what I am getting here. ठीक है. So here you have seen I have got all the rows from the student table and I have got all the rows from the teachers table, not actually all table where the entries, common entries are met. So here you can see here, this is just the result of that which I have copied here. ठीक है. तो here you can see student ID which is having the entries like 101, 101, 102 and 103, and here it is having student ID 101, 101, 102 and 103. This is taken as the foreign key into the teacher table. So these all entries are met. These all entries are met and the result is nothing but the you can see here, this is nothing but the Cartesian product of the two tables where I have performed inner join, and inner join is giving me the result where the entries are met, okay. You can see here in the teacher table one more entry is here 5 ABC, and here the qualification is ME, teacher salary is 10,000, student address is nothing and student ID is nothing. So this fifth row is not taken here, is not given as the result where we do the inner join, okay. As well as here you can see here it is having 104 into the student table as well as 105, and as the output we are not getting anywhere 104 and 105 since those are not met with the condition, or they are not the common entries in both the table. The common entries are 101, 102 and 103. Here in student table also it is there, and in the teachers table it is also present. That's why it will give the result accordingly where the common entries are met, okay. So this is what the inner join concept. If you have any doubt, please message me. Okay. Next is nothing but we are going to see the left outer join, okay. We'll see the left outer join. So it is going to return all the records from the left table and the matched record from the right table, okay. So see, with the Venn diagram it will be more clear to you all. Left join, it is giving the entries, all the entries from the left table plus whatever the match record from the right table. ठीक है, I am repeating it again. All the rows from the left table and the match record from the right table. Clear? So this is nothing but the syntax. We will execute this and we'll see. Okay, I'll just write here. We are going to perform here, we are performing here left outer join, okay. Left join from teacher on student.sid is equals to teacher underscore id, okay. So let's see what result we get here. So here, see, you can see with this table it is more clear, okay. So here you can see we are getting all the entries from the student table, whatever the entries are, the rows, all the rows from the student table we get here, ठीक है, and the match entries from the teachers table. So this is what the left join, this is what the left join. I have also copied here, you can see here, ठीक है. So here you can see I have to just use the keyword that is nothing but left join. If I am performing left join, then write here left join. If I am performing inner join, write inner join, okay. So here you can see we are getting all the entries from the student table and the match entries from the teachers table. Now we are going to see what actually the right outer join is. Previously we have seen the inner join and the left outer join. Now we are going to see right outer join. Returns all the records from the right table and the match record from the left table. So with the Venn diagram you can see here it is having two tables, table 1 and table 2, and the shaded portion will be the result of the right outer join. So basically it is telling what it is going to return all the records from the right table and the match record from the left table. And the syntax here taken is select column list from left table L right join right table R on L dot column is equals to R dot column. We'll just execute this and we'll see what will be the result, right? Okay, so here we can see, as we are having two tables, student and teacher, right? So I'm just going to copy this from here. I have already executed the query, I just need to take it from here, okay, and use the keyword right, since we are performing right join. So here you can see I have made use of right keyword for performing right outer join. Sorry, I'm just going to write a select start from student, okay, and we'll just check the result. So here you can see, as the statement is telling what, it is going to return all the records from the left table and whatever the match records from the right table. Okay, here also I have taken this, since here you can see all the records we are getting from the teacher table and the match record from the student table, and if the entries are not present, it is just going to give the blank. Okay, so this is nothing but the concept of right join. I hope you all are clear with inner join, left outer join, right outer join. Now we are going to see full outer join. So full outer, what is full outer join? You can see here, full outer join, it will return all the rows where there is a match in the left or right table records. So here you can see here with the Venn diagram, the whole wheel diagram is shaded with the green color, and I have made use the keyword full join. Okay, so just we'll execute this and we'll see. Okay, I'll take the query from here. I'll just paste here and I'll do enter. So you can see here we are getting all the entries from the student tables and we are getting all the entries from the teacher table, whether there is a match or there